What I would say about Spur, it's fun. It's a fun company. It's about food and fun. It explores the beauty of Jamaica. Jamaica's beauty is in the land, and its food and its people. That's what makes Jamaica such the most wonderful country in the world.
Hello YouTube family, welcome back to another exciting, educational and informative episode of Claudeaz Corner. I am your girl Claudeaz. So in today's video, we'll be doing a factory tour, we'll be speaking with one of the directors of Spur Jamaican. We'll also be doing some cooking and doing some taste testing, putting the seasoning to the test using the jerk seasoning and the curry seasoning. We'll do a review and hear what some persons have to say about the food using the Spur Jamaican brand. So now, no more long talking, let's jump right into today's video. Today we have with us one of the directors of Spur Jamaican, Mr. Mohan Jagnarine. Mr. Jagnarine, how long has Spur Jamaican been in operation?
We started in 2006. And I always wanted to promote good Jamaican seasonings and sauces, and my background is food service. I wanted people to get one seasoning so they get consistency every day. So with all products, you just add meat. Like the jerk seasoning, you need nothing else. It's low sodium. The curry, you need nothing else. Just add meat and cook.
Can you give me an idea of some of the products that you offer?
We do jerk seasoning, we do a curry seasoning, we do oxtail seasonings, and we do sauces. We do barbecue sauce, jerk barbecue, Scotch bonnet pepper sauce, red pepper sauce, pepper jellies.
Mr. Jagnarine, are your raw materials sourced locally?
100% locally.
Okay, so you support our Jamaican farmers.
Definitely.
That's a big plus.
Definitely.
Do you export to other countries, including the Caribbean?
We export to the US. We are 90% export our products. We export to the US, we export to Canada, we export to the United Kingdom, we export to Australia, we export to Costa Rica, we export to Panama.
Mr. Jagnarine, is there a last word or something you'd like to say about Spur Jamaica?
I would say about Spur, it's fun. It's a fun company. It's about food and fun. It explores the beauty of Jamaica. Jamaica's beauty is in the land, and its food and its people. That's what makes Jamaica such the most wonderful country in the world. That's why it produces Usain Bolt. It produces Bob Marley, because it's a combination of everything.
So now that we have spoken to Mr. Jagnarine, let's take a tour of the factory and see where all the magic happens. But first, let us stop, take a look at this wall and see all of the achievements the company has accomplished over the years. Now that I'm ready, let's go, go, go!
Here.
Yeah. So these are the raw materials.
You get one here to tell them
Okay. Oh. Oh wow, cool. So this is where the raw materials comes. Oh wow. That's what makes the seasoning?
Yeah, that's what cook it.
Oh. Okay. that we have explored the factory and seen where all the products are made, now it's time to put the seasoning to the test. We will only be using the Spur jerk seasoning on the chicken and will not be using any additional seasoning as instructed. So here are the samples that I received. So now I have covered the chicken completely using the jerk seasoning. Lift the skin off the chicken and place the seasoning under. You can set this to marinate overnight or for 2 days, just as I did. So I must say the application was very smooth. It reminded me of when you would blend your natural seasoning. So for me, that was a big plus. Have Kingsley here jerking. How is the chicken going on so far? Kingsley?
Chicken is going on good.
Wow, chicken looks nice. Okay. So how long does it take to jerk the chicken?
Long.
Like how long is long? Over here we have a curry goat. Now I am going to apply the Spur curry seasoning to my curry.
Yes, ma'am.
So what are you doing now?
I'm applying more Spur jerk seasoning.
Okay.
So the chicken, just basting it.
Oh, this smells so delicious.
And jerking, using it also to calm down the fire below.
Yeah.
It runs off the chicken. So I must say I tasted a piece of the taste note. And it tastes really good. It's not as overpowering
As some other sauces.
As some other sauce, it's a good base for your jerk sauce, your blended jerk sauce if you're going to blend. But we're just using it directly first to see how it tastes or how the chicken turns out.
And this is the Spur jerk sauce.
Very good. Jesus, I don't want it to done. The bone just bone up a teeth.
Chicken, very good. The pasta was good.
Chicken was to die for. The curry goat, the pasta, the rice and peas, and the vegetables. Everything was the perfect balance. Awesome job.
Claudia, the food was so good. Delicious to the bone.
Oh.
Rice and peas, curry goat, the jerk chicken. I mean, I don't have a word to describe it.
So there you have it. You just received a full factory tour of Spur Jamaican, a full interview with one of the directors, a full product review on the jerk seasoning and the curry seasoning. You also received great reviews from guests. So if you're interested in any of these products, they can be found on any of your local supermarket shelves. And if you're overseas, no worries. They also export these items. Feel free to visit their website at spurtreejamaica.com or their Facebook page, Spur Spices. Or feel free to drop me a note in the description below. Remember now to like, share, subscribe to Claudeaz Corner, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when my new videos are released. Thank you for watching.